the Dodgers on Thursday, May 28th. Game time 7:05. But be sure to arrive early. The first 10,000 adults 21 and older will get a Cubs keychain. Compliments of Ace Hardware. The belated 60th anniversary wishes to Glenn and Helen Masick of Joliet, Illinois. Here's Bradley. Plays 2 down. Season-high 8-game hitting streak snapped.
It's a fun game, isn't it, Emmy?
First knock of the series. We're keeping a close watch on Fukudome.
Mommy gets to pick up toys.
4 caught stealing on the season for Kosuke over there at first base. With 2 outs in the inning, you'd like to see him get down there at second base if at all possible, but the Cardinals paying a lot of attention to him over there at first base.
Team the Cubs will see is the Padres. And as bad as they looked last week, they haven't lost since that series. They've won 4 in a row. They beat Barry Zito last night.
Where'd everything go, Emmy?
He went the distance. It was an 8-inning.
Where'd it all go?
Loss for Zito. His first complete game since 2003. How about this, Bobby? The 1-4 record in spite of a 3.62 ERA, 10 runs in support. And starts. Wow. Well, that's tough.